Hey team, I just wanted to share what I was reading this morning in the Word. I'm sitting by my nice warm fire, and don't worry, I have my coffee. Anyways, I was reading this morning, it's Jeremiah 31, if you want to read it as well. So I'm going to read part of it to you. Okay, so it says, start in verse 3. Okay, I've loved you with an everlasting love. Therefore, I have continued my faithfulness to you. Again, I will build you, and you shall be built. Okay. I'm going to jump down a couple verses. It says, sing aloud with gladness for Jacob. Raise shouts for the chief of nations. Proclaim, give praise, and say, O Lord, save your people, the remnant of Israel. Behold, I will bring them from the north country, and gather them from the farthest parts of the earth. Among them the blind and the lame, the pregnant woman, and she who is in labor together. A great company, they shall return here. With weeping they shall come, and with pleas for mercy I shall lead them back. I will make them walk by brooks of water in a straight path which they shall not stumble. For I am a father to Israel, and Ephraim is my firstborn. Hear the word of the Lord, O nations, and declare it in the coastlands far away. Say, he who scattered Israel will gather him, and will keep him as a shepherd keeps his flock. For the Lord has ransomed Jacob, and has redeemed him from the hands too strong. It goes on to just talk about how faithful God is. And I think as we are far apart from each other, scattered a little bit as Israel was scattered, some important things to remember is just to remember to praise God. He is faithful. He is good. And although we might be far from each other, we can be connected just in praying for one another and through video chat. Like, we are together even when we are far apart, because God is faithful and He is with us. So that was a comfort to me this morning, and so I wanted to share it with you guys. And now I am going to continue drinking my wonderful coffee. I miss you guys. Come see me on Zoom this afternoon if you want to. Alright, talk to you later, guys. Bye.